guys is first day of ayan, tignan nyo nga naman yung our hair, like so grumpy our hair, at least nice, right? So we put here our phone. We need to burn this tree first, big one. This one got money, can got got number. So if come out the number, then tomorrow we need to buy the number and we win 40, right? This one is the number, got number, right? Oh, I got number, tomorrow we win 40. Oh, yeah.
We win 40. We win 40.
Diba? Tomorrow we win 40, right?
Hey, take one more bricks to put the this one. Center of the basket. No, this side.
Sing. Para makita ninyo guys, this is our job every 7 months of Chinese calendar. This is the first day of Ama, this candle doon na? Am I? Candle doon ya. Jostek na? Kuya. This is the paper.
One right, this one center. This one left to the other corner.
Money 50,000 million. Miles away. At syempre, you can see the weather, the surrounding, and you see the flower also. See, this is the double P. This is it. This later kami nga this one. See the number that one. This one got the number one. May tinapay pa to yung guys, yung favorite na ice gem biscuit. Buti pa yung ano. Ayan. Yan ang bahay namin guys. Charan. And I will across the road and you can see the house guys. So ayan. Ayan yung minsan napaka marites na lalaki na amo. Gusto niya lahat gawin ang trabaho ng katulong. Itong bangs ko guys, nagkamali ako ng panggupit. Kaya pasensya na guys. Ayan, nagkabangs-bangs pero ayan sila guys, yan ang bahay namin. O ayan, o yung puti. Ito. Diba? Ayun, nanonood yung uncle doon sa kabila. Kasi Christian sila. Kami Buddhist. So kailangan naming mag-pray. We need to pray first. 7 months. This month, today is 7 months. of Chinese calendar. Then today is first day. So they need to burn. Then after that, 15 days. You burn ano. Ayan yung bahay namin guys. Diba? Ang liit. Ayan. Signan mo yan. Oh, ayan. Ayan. Yung dalawang marites. Yeah, but below later no cannot burn already, sir.
Oh, below for someone can. Very easy one.
Ayan. Oh, nagpintas di car green. Wow, ang ganda yung green car. Green. So nice the green car. Oh, the sun. You see so much big already, guys. Oh yeah, ma. Paula, okay na. Yeah, true. Ito nga guys. Ganyan guys. So ayan. Or they go up. You cannot spray water because they believe that this one is go to heaven. Huh? Go to heaven? Or go to hell? I don't know. Because nobody wake up, nobody die and alive again, then they gonna say that, oh, they're in heaven, got earth, got purgatory, got hardener. Alright. So this is Chinese tradition. Every first day of 7 months. And then if you're tired to standing, you come here the garden and sit down like this, like a rich person, right? Tuck like that. See?
Hello. You never do makeup.
Hi, oh, mas makeup, mas put this one daw, my self. But no sleep, have to be pretty. See guys, pineapple, banana. Ayan, the end. Another 15 days more again, but 15 days is different. We pray with food. Now is paper only. So, di ba? Ganyan ang amo, guys. Napakaganda, di ba? Minsan kailangan ng ano. Ito double petal yan, guys. Oh, you see? Double one na single. Ayan. So, free tattoo, guys. You put your finger there and tattoo. And then tomorrow all your skin is mess. Ayan, natapos na no, guys. Kaya thanks for watching. Hanggang sa 15 days again. Bye-bye.